Hey y'all, well, when I get asked a question, I make a video, and I got asked the question, show us exactly how the heating cool seats work in these Chevrolet pickups. It's funny I hadn't made this video before, just honestly hadn't even thought about it. But hey, also I'm going to put a link down there in my description if you want to see all the Chevrolet features. I've made a video on about everything I can think of. If you got something you want to see, just put it in the comments and I'll try to make a video. So let me show you exactly how this works. Okay, if you look right here next to your radio, there's your radio and your air conditioner controls. If your truck comes equipped with this is where it's going to be. I know this is an LTZ model, so I know some models don't have it, but if you're lucky enough to have it, this is where it's located. If you notice, you've got three different buttons. The one right here on the left, the big button, that's for the cooled seats. The one right here on the top, that's if you want to heat just the back of your seat. And the one right here on the bottom is the button for heating the bottom of the seat and the back of the seat. So let's just punch a button, I'll show you what happens. When you turn the heating seat on, if you'll see, you got three little lights. That's for 3 speeds. So when you see all 3 lights are on, that's for 3 speeds. Also, you'll see a little red light right here. That means this is the one that's on. So it's in the high setting. If you punch it once, you see the one light goes out, it goes down to 2. Punch it a second time, it goes down to 1. That's the low setting. Punch it a third time, it goes off. Same way with the back. See the little red light comes on, 3, 2, 1, off. Also your cooled seats, the little blue light comes on your cooled seats. 3 lights, there's 3, 2, 1, there's low, and there's off. And that's pretty much all there is to it. While I got you here, I'll go ahead and show you where the button for the heated steering wheel is, if you have it. If you look right here on your steering wheel, right here where your cruise control buttons and all, you'll see a little button right here. If you have it, all you have to do is punch that button, little light comes on, your heated steering wheel is now on. Punch it again, it is now off. Hey, I know that was pretty quick, right to the point, but hey, if this helped you out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, catch you later.